Is passive income real, and how do you make it? Hey, I'm Jamie Williams, and this is the RiddlesBendMedia channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Hey, let's dive right on in. A lot of people think passive income. They see it on the internet. They're like, what is passive income, and how do I make passive income? Passive income, the short answer to passive income is when you're doing the least amount of work to get paid. That's passive income. But it's mostly because you've already put all the work in the front end. And a lot of it has to do, if you're doing affiliate marketing, you're building your email campaign, you're building your funnel, maybe you're running ads on Google or Bing or Facebook. So now you're sitting back waiting on the money, your commission. Well, that's when it turns into passive income, because you've already done the work. But there's other forms of passive income. Maybe you got a Shopify store, you're putting stuff out there on your store, or maybe you got a TikTok shop, maybe you're promoting stuff there. So you've already done the work. Now you're just waiting on the money. But there's other ways to make passive income. A lot of people overlook vending machines. You can go to Costco, Sam's, and buy the stuff. As long as you got in a good location, you're going to make money. And that's passive income, because you're doing a minimum amount of work to get paid. Same thing with, coin laundry machines. You buy it, you set it up, you do all that. Now people go in and use it. That, you're getting passive income from it every month. It's the same thing with rental houses. There's a lot of ways to make passive income. Real estate, like I said, rental houses. You buy the house, you fix it, or, whatever you got to do to get it ready to rent. Well, then every month you get money. Well, that's basically passive income, because you're getting money from stuff that you've done, months ago. It's just like setting up a car wash, coin operated, washer and dryer stuff, laundromat, vending machines. You buy them, set them in a good location, you put stuff in them, about once every 2 weeks, keep them stocked, you can get money. Same thing, with the rest of it. Real estate. Same, real estate. You buy the place, you fix it, you get passive income. So there's a lot of ways when you see passive income, you see people say, make passive income. Well, there's a lot of ways to make passive income, but they're still putting the work in. You're still putting the time and effort. If it's something you're trying to do, like an email campaign, if it's affiliate marketing, you're still putting time in it. The only difference is, once you get it set up and you get it dialed in, now you're putting the minimum amount of effort into it, which is kind of classified as passive income. Because that's what everybody like me who's doing affiliate marketing, promoting other people's products, that's what we love. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's where you're promoting other people's products. Whether it's Amazon, Walmart, wherever, ClickBank, there's a bunch of them out there. It ain't, but ClickBank's kind of the famous one. But anyways, there's a lot of them out there that you can get products from, or you could sell your own. Maybe you got a little place, a little shop, maybe you want to do a Shopify store. So you build that little website, you put your stuff on it, and then once you get it done, it's just a matter of putting the stuff on there you want to sell. Passive income. Passive income. Can you make it? Yes. Is passive income real? Yes. But you still got to put the work in up front in order to get the passive income. But that's everybody's goal who does affiliate marketing, or who has a Shopify store, or who has any other business. Get it set up. Then once you get it set up, the money starts rolling in. All you're doing is the bare minimum to keep it either more products on it or just keeping it tweaked to make sure it's optimized, the best it can get at the time. That is passive income. Yes, it's real, people. It is real. But it's not, it's not a free ride. There's no easy money out there, I hate to tell you. So if you're looking for easy money, you ain't going to find it. But if you do find it, call me because I want some of it. I'd like to know how you're getting it because everybody likes easy money. It's just not out there. You gotta put some effort into it. That's just the way it is. But if you want to learn affiliate marketing, you want to learn it the right way where you can promote any product at any time, anywhere, and you want a mentor and advisor, basically somebody to hold your hand from people who are doing affiliate marketing right now and who has been doing affiliate marketing and who now wants to teach you how to make money online and to get passive income, check out the link in the description because we're waiting on you to show you how you can make passive income. I've talked about some ways that you can do it. Real estate, coin-operated car washes, coin-operated laundromats. That's just a few ways. But think about it. If you get a couple vending machines, let's just say in a college dorm or somewhere around a university or around a big office building, just think about that. That's pretty good passive income. But, it's all about location, location, location. It's just like everything else. Real estate, doesn't matter. It's about location, location, location. So keep that in mind. And like I said, if you're ready to learn the right way how to do affiliate marketing and make passive income, check out the link in the description. I said we can get going because we got you. Don't forget to follow me on YouTube. And don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to follow me on Pinterest. So keep going. Let's keep going with this. And passive income is real. But you got to be willing to put some time into it. Well, all right. Don't forget to follow me next week for some more videos.